Okay, so I'm very tired. I just took in a delivery from Leaf Envy. This is the first time I've ordered from them, so I thought I'd do an unboxing. This is my first coffee of the day as well. I actually wasn't expecting to get this delivery today. Sorry, I wasn't expecting to get it this early, but there's the box. 100% recyclable. But yeah, the man was very lovely when he came to the door, but I was absolutely exhausted and had no idea what he was saying to me. I think he was saying, have a good day. I will. But yeah, so I had some really good reviews about Leaf Envy. So I thought, my partner and I weren't doing Valentine's Day gifts this year, so, but he needed new headphones, so I thought I'd be nice, I'll get him some headphones. And then he got a bit grouchy because he was like, well no, I have to get you something. So he got me some plants. It's so lovely when you can smell it. Smell the soil. I'm gonna get soil everywhere, and I didn't put anything down. This is literally this is first thing in the morning. I didn't have time to set up the camera. I didn't have time to make a coffee. This is really, it's far too hot to drink, really. Oh, but it is so good. I didn't have time to put anything down. That's okay. Oh my goodness! Oh, what do we have here? Okay, this is gonna spoil what I got, but I don't care. I like it when you get these little care tips. I've been on Leaf Envy's website and they are really good at this. So they tell you the origin, how much light the plant needs, how much water it needs, and it's called sad plant signs, which is exactly what it says in the box. It's just signs that your plant is sad. I don't know many other places that do that. Not for each specific plant anyway. So what have we got here? So, sad plant signs for Caladiums, new growth losing colour, so which is the lack of sunlight, and it tells you why as well, this is good. Lack of sunlight, dry leaf edges, underwatering, browning leaves, which is overwatering obviously, total leaf fall off, to be expected, Caladiums go dormant autumn to spring, stop watering until spring. I have a massive Caladium at the moment and it has gone so dormant that it's lost a lot of its leaves. It was about this big, it was huge. You can just about see that is the healthiest of all the leaves. I don't know if you can see that, but I don't want to disturb it too much. There's actually 5 plants in here. I got 4 Caladiums because there was a minimum spend, and then I was like, well, what else am I gonna? I think I was like £1 off. I think it came to £24 and you have to spend 25. I think that's how it is. So I was like, do you know what? Whack a Calathea in there. Why not? Just have to go. I like that it comes like this as well. So the packaging was to keep everything upright, just the extra padding there, and then it comes with this bit of cardboard, which I'm hoping is 100% recyclable. In fact, it says 100% recyclable, so I'm assuming this is as well. Which is always a good sign when the plant company does that. There's a few plant companies that don't have things that are recyclable, and I just sort of think that's a bit, yeah, I think if you're going to be a plant company, then everything you package in should be recyclable. What do we have here? Oh, it's so cute! Oh, look at it! Oh! Oh, he looks so healthy as well. Oh, I've got a lovely little pot that you might have as well. A little ceramic one. Oh, that would be cute. Oh, okay, I'm gonna get the rest now. I have to stop myself getting overexcited now because I'm just gonna end up ripping into everything and actually start damaging the plants. I like the, I actually really like the packaging that this is coming in. Just, it looks quite breathable, which is nice. I don't know if that's the intended, I mean, I'm assuming that's the intended purpose of it. But it does seem to be keeping it quite moist, which is nice. I guess like for travelling as well, you want it, you don't want them to dry out or anything, particularly the Caladiums. They can be quite sensitive sometimes. Oh, look at him. I've never had a green one before. So lots of these places, oh my god. Oh my goodness, look at this, look at this. He's got a little leaf coming through. Yeah, lots of these places do, you can get like, you can get Caladium mixes. So basically what that means is you can get like 3 Caladiums for the price of something, and then they'll just pick random colours and things, which I always really like, because I do think you end up getting, instead of just always picking like a red one, which I probably would do that. Maybe would I? He's so beautiful. I think these leaves are a little bit unhappy, but that's quite alright. We'll fix you right up. Yeah, I think a lot of these places, they try and give you like a good mix, which I always think is really good, because you do end up having a bit more of a jungle, tropical feel. And I love Caladiums anyway, so I don't really care what colour they are. As long as they're beautiful, which all of these are so far. I say so far as if I'm expecting one to be really ugly, and I'm not. I think I'd love them just the same. Oh, so sweet. Oh, that's it. Out you come. Out you come. Say hello to everyone. Oh, that leaves a little bit curled up there. Oh, you beauty. Oh, you absolute stunner. I'm just letting these sit for the moment. I am fully expecting these to start drooping a little bit. You do tend to find that when you, particularly with Caladiums and quite sensitive plants and plants that are difficult to look after, you will find that there's a little bit of drooping in the beginning. That's just them acclimatizing, that's just them getting used to the new environment. I had that with my Adansonii. He was so droopy and so weary and very limp. I thought, that's it, I'm going to lose the plant, but he's acclimatized and he's doing very well. He's over there somewhere. Now the really bad thing is I know what I want the next Caladium to be, and if it's not that, I'm not going to be disappointed. Let's not lie. By the way, I don't know if Leaf Envy are actually going to watch this at all, but can I just ask, what's the purpose of this? And I'm not asking like in a snarky way, I'm genuinely asking. I've never seen this in plant packaging before, and I think it's really cool. I don't know what it does, but it looks like, I don't know, does it just keep them steady or? Anyway, if Leaf Envy are watching this, hit me up, let me know what that's about. I'd like to know. Oh, this is the last Caladium. I think this is the last Caladium. I love it when you see that burst of soil come out. I've got soil everywhere. I'm pretty sure it's in my coffee. No, it's fine. It's fine. Also, I would like to know what this packaging is all about, because it's got lots of holes in. And I'm assuming it's for like moisture and things like that, but I'm not sure. I'd be interested to know. It's the one I was hoping for as well. Oh, that's it. That's it. We'll just get this away, just very gently. Look at you. God, it's beautiful. So beautiful. You can see, I don't know if you can see really, but little red marks. I never really found out what those little red bits are. Like, I don't know if they're the pigments for it becoming like, you know, sort of a bit more like this guy. I never really understood what that was about, but I mean, I think they're absolutely stunning anyway. But, oh my God, it's beautiful. There's another little leaf coming in just the middle there. You are going to be so pretty when you get big. You're pretty now. Okay, I'm going to cut the video and then I'm going to go straight to the Calathea. That's so beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to have them up on the shelf. I don't know where they're going to go. We'll figure it out. We'll get along just fine. Okay, so this is the Calathea. I was actually really excited about this one. This was the one that I bought. Sorry, I should say that my partner bought it for me for Valentine's Day. Thank you. But it was the actual one that I bought, and I wasn't 100% sure about it. But I thought, I'll get it anyway. I don't have many Calatheas, and they are very pretty. And I have been thinking about expanding my collection. I'm going to be in love with this plant no matter what, so I don't even know why I'm saying any of this. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I can already see that you are beautiful. I don't know why I was worried that I wasn't going to love you. I can't even see you properly and I'm already in love. Is that the definition of obsession? That you can't actually see it, but you know you love it? Oh, here we go. Here we go. Oh, I knew it! I knew you were beautiful! Oh, look at you! Oh, that is absolutely stunning. It's so cute. Again, I think I have a loving little pot that you're going to go into. I'm really pleased. I'm really, really, really pleased. Everything that came through, it looks so healthy. The packaging was great. Nothing fell over. No soil fell out. Not huge amounts of it, but everything. Soil always falls out. But there was no huge amounts of soil that fell out. There was a really nice mix of the Caladiums. I think sometimes you do run the risk when you allow companies to, you know, pick the colours for you, that you do end up getting sort of like 3 green ones, or sometimes that can be a bit boring. But I'm really pleased with the selection that I got. Especially pleased with this little guy. Oh, look how good they look together as well. I don't know if I'm going to sit you guys next to each other. I think that's too much beauty in the one place. I think we might need to spread them around. Just looking at this now, obviously I haven't really gotten to grips with looking after Calatheas. I love Caladiums. There's just nothing extra I need to put on that. I love Caladiums. I think they're so beautiful. They're so precious. They come in such great colours. They look really sort of regal and lovely. But just looking at this Calathea now, I think I'm just on site alone definitely going to have a look into expanding my collection to include a few more Calatheas. I know there's lots of people out there who really rate them, so I'm really looking forward to looking after this. But I think, back to the point at hand, I'm really impressed with Leaf Envy. I think this is a very good package to get. I'm really pleased. I could definitely recommend them. I just can't get over how pretty all of these plants are. Right, I am now going to recycle that box, and then I'm going to try and figure out where to put my new babies. I should mention, like, this isn't like a paid thing. Someone had recommended to go and have a look at Leaf Envy. I went on there. You do get a 10% off if you sign up to their emails and stuff, which of course, if you're a plant person, I don't know why you're not signing up to every email out there. So that was a really good incentive to buy a little bit more, as if I needed an incentive to buy more plants. But yeah, they're very high quality, I would say. Like I said before, I am very much anticipating that these guys are going to go through a little bit of a down period before they perk up again. That's absolutely fine. It is still wintry where we are, although it is starting to warm up, and I am keeping this room as warm as I can. But yeah, so that's my unboxing. I will do a little montage at the end of where I've put all these guys. I'm really pleased, so thank you, Leaf Envy. Okay, so I've put these two sort of just underneath this grow light a little bit here, but they are shielded by a little asparagus fern there. So not too much light, but enough that they should start to settle in quite nicely. Oh, they look so sweet together. I'm really looking forward to that white one. Just starting to grow a little bit more. And then we go the next shelf. We've got this guy. He's lovely. So when the sun comes in, it sort of ends up getting to about here, and then that's it. So he's gonna have plenty of light, but it's not gonna burn his leaves, I'm hoping, she says. He looks so sweet there, in amongst all his jungle friends. And then we go up here to this shelf. We've got my two other little babies. So most of the shelf is just green, which sometimes I like, but I wanted this one to have a little bit of colour there, so these guys will definitely add that. And again, the light sort of, the sort of natural sunlight gets to about here, and then it just cuts off, so they're both going to have lots and lots of bright light, but it's not going to burn their leaves, which is what we want. Oh, can't get over that little one coming through. I did have to give these guys just a little misting, just on the sort of top part of their soil. I didn't want to give them a full water, mostly because sometimes that can cause shock for the plants, and I didn't want to do that particularly with these guys, so I just gave them a little misting, just a little something, just to moisten them up, and hopefully that'll keep them happy. But yeah, that's it. Oh, and here's my, that's the big boy. He's dormant at the moment, he's not doing a lot. Where's his little leaf? Oh, there's two of them down there. I didn't know there was two. Bonus.